How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply find your lost controller for PS5. Now, if you've been wondering whether the PS5 has the lost functionality, unfortunately it doesn't. So we need to go ahead and look for it and then try the different solutions on this video. So of course, you've already looked everywhere for your controller. And if you've recently paired your controller with something like your phone or your computer, you just want to walk around the house and see if the controller connects automatically through your device. Now, if it connects, it means that it's nearby. So I suggest to head over to your browser and then simply search for the hardware tester gamepad tester and then just click on the vibration infinite. This will then vibrate the controller rapidly, and from there, as you can see, from there you will be able to locate it on a certain spot. So let me just go ahead and turn that off. Now, the next thing that you want to do, if you've connected something like an AirTag, you could of course open that up to see if it works, but from there, unfortunately, there isn't much we can do in terms of finding our PS5 controller. I'm sorry to break it to you guys, but that is the only way and the solution in order to find it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.